Oh God, I'll check this out. We come back again. We in the area. We just stop in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Lord. Where them going, boy? Afraid here too bad now. This is Caroni way again. Caroni River. River. Yeah, this is the river there. And this is where this house. Hey, now last time it was more dry, man. There we could have walked down till quite the last time I come. Hey, all of them go and sit down, no flicking boat and drunk and thing, eh? Hey, come on, tell we got close, sir. Hey, come on, hey, that I will get outside. I will live inside it. But I don't understand a conda. Let's live inside, yeah. Yeah, they go like this kind of. Yeah. Down there. These are the boat, no. Down there is about 30 or 40 feet deep. Eh? You lie. So don't even think about falling down there. I know boy to help you to bring. Yeah, you make a sound. No, sure. Yeah. Hey fellas, let's check this out. We come back here again now, boy. We just see as it's dry season, let me just come and see how over here is. Obviously we know it will be dry. But every time you come, you see something different now, boy. Here real nice, boy. Imagine that water across. Imagine that water across. It is about 30 or 40 feet deep. And we down inside here. Yeah. Would I make the wrongs? I want to check out that side. Look them demon bird on them. Them bird them is freaking fly on here and pick you and thing, boy. I come down here in a little while. Get all them boys and I'm with me here today. Check. Oh, you play all you come and fly to pick me, eh? Yeah. Should have passed so. Check this out now, boy. We imagine the amount of work it takes to cast this here, boy. Now don't can shut your ass, boy. Ah. Check it out. Real caveman now. Real bushman. Bushman. Now people are find dead running inside, eh? Oh my God. They jump in and feel for conchs, boy. Bushman, watch check Bushman. Always hyper, now. Yeah, check them out there. Check out them by them there. Oh, I cannot see nothing here. I know they're over there. So that way he walking is, I'm sure he'll go down here and he wants some more or something there. Yeah, anyhow. Let me walk back on that side. A heli chopper I had the chopper going on land there, but I don't in a hole here, nobody can see me. I will not walk on, go back by them boy and them there. Yeah, let's come and check it out. Nice. Now how this be? Look at that.
I don't think I'm going to put that.
That look like dog shit.
I capybara shit. Go on top?
No. Staying right here. You go in the next time and then plant the weed there and they kill we. If he go fall. If he fall on there, I gotta laugh out. Watch, he tired, watch it. Watch. Look. Nice, I just watch our view again. Check out that big span. And inside the water will be gushing, eh? So.
Like this morning.
It has something called editing. I could blur it off. I could move you out from it. Yeah.
You could cut that piece right there and add it back on right there.
We done here. There we go. I tell you, this water does have me uncomfortable here. Boy. Hey, what the f***ing boy?
You want to see? You want to see if it will stand up and go down? It would.
There we go now, boy.
It would stand up and go down. It's not gone up.
Oh.
It ain't gone down. Don't go there again. Test for how
I don't give a deep days. I want to come out of here. I know seeing this water have me real uncomfortable here, dog. Yeah. Don't interfere with that pumpkin. What people want to do for control that day. Yeah. I know it's that. Yeah. Alright, nice. Let me get out of here now because I stand to get the creeps here, dog. Serious. Later. Yeah.